Guys, welcome to my channel, Why with Indi, and I'm Indi. You're here because you're special. Well, alright, you all are special. So why have I started YouTube in 2022? Well, there's a long story behind it. Let me just shorten the story up for you. What do I do for a living and what are my experiences? So one, I've worked with companies like Google, Apple, Siemens, Sony, and other social media platforms. I have a vast experience with consumer electronics. And what do I do currently? Well, I run a digital marketing company. I'm also a producer and a director, and I've spent a lot of time behind the camera, not in front of the camera. So, well, managing and doing digital marketing, I get a lot of questions asked. Because we manage a lot of YouTubers, a lot of Instagram bloggers, get a lot of questions at me all at once every day as to how do we increase our followers, subscribers, and how do we increase our interaction rate. So that got me thinking, why don't I start my own YouTube channel? And that would put me in the same category. And you know, we can learn a lot and I can explain them better. That's my clients, of course. So, this channel is going to be dedicated to consumer electronics, reviews, movies, web series, whatever I can really put my 2 cents worth to. And it's very interesting because I've spent a lot of time personally with a lot of consumer electronics and tech, and I'm a strong believer of technology and how it can improve our lives. So, just make sure that you subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and like my Facebook page. Twitter, still working on getting a Twitter out there with the whole Elon Musk and Twitter thing going on at the moment. No, that's a joke. Not really, it's just we're too lazy to get to the point where we can actually set up a Twitter page at this point. But I'm sure we'll do that in the coming week. This channel is going to have regular videos every day. We're going to try to put them out every day to the best of our capabilities. Alright, just make sure that one of the reasons I really want to do this channel a little bit differently is that a lot of people ask a lot of questions around WhatsApp and Instagram and websites and SEO, Google My Business, so forth, so on. So please, in the comments below, write what your questions are or what you're struggling with, and I'll make it a point to make a video on those specific topics. And I promise you I will go through each and every of my comments and respond as best as I can to all the comments left below. Now, since it's today, the 22nd of July, it's also my birthday. And what's a better day to start a YouTube channel than on a birthday, right? This is the biggest gift I can give myself and to you guys. Also, we're going to give away a PlayStation PS5 controller. Now, there is a link below powered by Gleam, and go on, register yourself. This giveaway is going to go out for the whole month. So don't worry even if you get late, but there are 3 criteria that you need to meet to participate in this giveaway. Do that. Well, when you click the link, it will ask you to do the 3 things to enter in a chance to win this controller. So just make sure you do that. Also, if you want to reach out to me, please comment below or DM me on Instagram and I will reach out to you as well. There's one little thing about the policy that YouTube has with giveaways and competitions. YouTube has nothing to do with this competition. This competition is purely through and run by Why with Indi. So YouTube has nothing to do with this. Alright. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. and commenting is for blasting, right? So you can blast me all you want. I would love that. Actually, go ahead and blast me. And do visit my Instagram page and follow me there, and do visit my Facebook page and like me there as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and enjoy the world you're around. Bye now.